What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, we have the 2x spicy sauce, which is my favorite. If you know me, you know I carry that shit everywhere. Okay, I feel like it's cutting my head off, so I'll back up a little bit. Alright, so again, we have the 2x spicy, and I have some healthy food here. I've got some spinach and onions, a turkey burger, and an egg. Oh, wait. Okay, so let's get going. The watermelon Perrier is my fave. Okay, so I am starving. I literally have had no food today and it's 7:30. Okay, 1 second guys. So I had to switch some things around there, but cheers guys. Okay, so this is gonna be real fucking hot, but here's what I'm doing here. So you guys know, like, a lot of the mukbang community, they do a lot of noodles, ramen, seafood boils. I've got onions, diced onions in my spinach. I love onions. Onions and garlic I can eat on anything, and this hot sauce. So, just let me eat a little bit, and then we can get to talking. I'm definitely going to put some of these onions on my turkey burger. I'm going to eat my turkey burger with my egg, because, yeah, it's good like that. Mm. So, what I was saying is, you guys know, like, a bunch of these, pause. So the background, you hear the fish tank, and then the other thing that just sprayed, that's like a air freshener. Alright, so you guys know these mukbangers, like in the mukbang community there is a lot of like noodles and soup and seafood boils and like fast food trends, like the Chick-fil-A sandwich, Popeyes, you know, and that's cool and all, but why don't we do a trend where it's actually healthy food? Because these people are getting what is it, like liposuction and things like that. And it's like, okay, you're skinny now, but you're still eating like shit. Like, let's be healthy and still fucking eat our fucking food. Which, I get it. I don't eat that healthy either. I used to, but I haven't been. You know, the holidays happen, we fall off, shit. We got our own issues, meals that we want to eat. I'm in no way slamming food. Or, like, not healthy food. Trust me. If I could eat Taco Bell every day of my life, I would. But I'm going to try to eat healthy on my mukbangs. Now, listen. That's gonna be hard as fuck, but so guys, I asked you what you wanted to see on my channel, and literally one person told me what they wanted. But you guys are watching it, so it's like, okay, I guess I'm just gonna stick to the mukbangs and chill in. Doing whatever until you guys say you want something else. You must like the content so far. Which is cool. I'm not even gonna lie. This hot sauce is spicy as fuck, but it's so fucking good. It has so much flavor. Like, it's not just spice. You're not just like tripping. Anyway, so today I woke up at 8 and I went to I live by the mountains, and okay, not the mountains. What the fuck are they? It's like a, I guess it's a mountain. I don't know. It's like a trail. I went on a hike. It was elevated, so that's a fucking mountain, right? So I went there. I did about hour long hike. Stretched for a little bit afterwards, and then I was beat at that point. I felt really good, but I was beat, and I was like, okay. I'm gonna lay in the grass real quick and relax. That lasted all 4 seconds because, needless to say, I'm allergic to grass, and yeah I was itchy as fuck. I started swelling. I had an audition in like 2.5 hours from then. So I went home, showered, got ready for my audition, booked it out the door. It took about an hour to get to Hollywood. I want to lick this right now. But I'm not going to. Okay. So, got to Hollywood, did my audition by 2. Did my audition by 2. And drove back over to the west side and started this. Eating for the first time today. Okay. I say a lot, sorry. Whatever. Whatever. Okay. So I'm not even gonna lie. I usually keep this in this bag here. And then put it in my bag that I carry with me and call it a fucking day. Pro tip for you guys. Anyway, so what I was saying is, after this mukbang, I'm gonna go see my homegirl play. She's in a band, and she's gonna be playing like in the valley, so I'm gonna be doing that. It's been a very productive, fun, great day today. I hope you guys had a great day also. I really hope you guys had a good day. I want to connect more with you guys, and yeah, just like connect, chat, like build a relationship with you guys. The people who are watching my videos, all like 20 of you, so thanks. Anyway, so have you guys seen Schitt's Creek? It is literally my favorite show of all time. I am genuinely obsessed. Yeah, I think obsessed doesn't quite cover it, but yeah, obsessed. So I think you guys should watch it. Dude, it's the bomb. It's fucking hilarious. I didn't think that I would be this into it, but my best friend got me hooked on it, and I was like, I literally binge watched 5 seasons in like a week. Yep, that definitely happened. That definitely happened. Oh, I can breathe. So yeah, I wore my lucky socks for my audition today. This one says batshit crazy. Here, I'll show you. Can you see it? Look at my stance here. I'm doing great. Batshit crazy. Okay. And then this one. Okay, not doing so hot. Yeah. Anyway, what was I saying? Filter. No. Oh, Schitt's Creek. Yeah. Watch it. Okay. I'm gonna be jumping off here because I have to do something with my hair and my makeup and my life before my homegirl show. But hopefully you guys comment, tell me something good. Tell me something good. Yeah, and have a great rest of your weekend. I will probably be posting this. It is Friday now. I'll probably be posting this tomorrow, Saturday. So hope you enjoyed your Friday. Have a good Saturday or Sunday, whatever. Yeah, both of them. Yeah. Alright, Loner Lawn signing off. I love you guys so much.